In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Ads certified with Google Skillshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up, prepare, pass, and keep your certification active, all without wasting time. First, you'll need a Google account. Head to Google Skillshop and sign in. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Choose a professional display name and make sure your time zone and language are correct, because that helps keep your training and exam experience consistent. Once you're in, navigate to the Google Ads certifications area. You can find it from the homepage or by using the search bar. This is where all the Google Ads exams and their training paths live in one place, so you won't have to jump around between different pages. Next, choose the certification that aligns with your goals. Google offers several, including search, display, video, and shopping. If you work with keywords and text ads, search is usually the best starting point. If your role involves visual banners and audience targeting, display might make sense. Video focuses on YouTube campaigns, and shopping is ideal for e-commerce advertisers. Pick one to begin with, you can always add more later. Before the exam, complete the free training modules in Skillshop. These lessons are designed to match the exam topics, and they include short videos, guided reading, and knowledge checks. Pace yourself, take notes on key features and best practices, and bookmark any sections you want to revisit. A simple study plan, like 1 hour a day for a few days, can make a big difference. Practice applying what you learn by imagining how you'd optimize a real account. When you're ready, take the exam. The goal is to score at least 80% to pass. Find a quiet place, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and close distracting tabs. Read each question carefully, eliminate obviously incorrect answers, and watch your time. If you're unsure on a question, make your best informed choice and move on. If you pass, you can download your certificate from Skillshop or through Accredible. You'll also get a shareable link you can add to your resume or professional profiles. It's a great way to showcase your skills to clients and employers. Finally, remember that your certification must be renewed annually by retaking the exam. Set a reminder a month before it expires, review the updated training modules, and refresh your knowledge of new features. That's it. Sign up, learn, pass, download, and renew. You've got this.